tomorrow, y'all. It is so hot out here. I am finna go get a little gas before I go to my appointment. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm about to get today. This is something new for me and I wanted to share with you. So yeah, come along. Okay, so I am almost there. So yeah, I am headed to Go Beyond Aesthetics. And yeah, I'm gonna take you in. First, I'm gonna get permission to see if I can record in there. And I forgot my mic. Oh my God, I paid $72 for that mic, and I forgot to bring it rushing out the house. Cause I got off at 4. My appointment is at 4:30, and I'm in all this traffic trying to get there. But I did notify them that I am on the way. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along. Okay, so I'm walking up. I made it. Let me see if I can get permission. Hello. How are you? Good. I finally made it. It was so late. Is it okay if I record?
Absolutely.
Okay. Just so I can record.
I love your car.
Oh,
it's
thank you.
Cute.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Right, there you go.
I
So
couldn't get on the
That's
phone,
okay.
so.
That's okay. Would you like some water?
No, I'm good for right now. Thank you, sweetie.
My pleasure.
Okay. So I made it. Let me fill out my paperwork and I'll be back. I put my stuff down. I'm gonna sit it right here on this table.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. All right. Lean back.
Yeah. Okay, so in that case, I got to clean again, so
Okay.
you will think I did your thing.
Yes.
See me what.
Y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm scared. He scared me.
Stray cat. All right.
Oh, God.
So we're going to clean again.
Okay.
All right, now, looking at your lashes, do you want to elevate this a little bit, or you like it as it is?
I need to lift it.
Okay.
Because I feel like this left side, my lids go down lower.
Yep, it does. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to lift each side. You ready?
Yeah.
You're going to feel a poke and a burn, but no matter what you do, don't like squint, because
Okay.
you're going to move my needle. Okay?
Okay.
Ouch. There we go again. One more time there. Perfect. So just smile word for me. Okay, that's good. Now for the next side. Perfection. Very good.
I heard that squirt.
Not so bad, huh?
Not too bad. Ooh, I do feel a little burn, but it's not like, oh, it's
Oh my God.
But it's doable.
Yeah. All right, smile wide for me. Okay, and relax. One more little shot. Here we go. Okay. All right.
All right, we done?
Now take that and put it on your chin for me.
Right here.
Now this is your bonus because you were referred. Frown for me. Squeeze right here. There you go. Oh, relax. Yeah, we need to chill with that here. Frown again. There you go. Relax. Okay. Do it one more time and relax. Okay. And we're all done.
Oh, we done, you guys. I gotta come back and get some more treatment. I'm gonna share my results with you guys when she did my skin analysis, and yeah, I got some work to do. So yeah, I'll be back to follow up with you guys. Bye. Okay, so I did get the Botox in the crow feet, and then he bonus by putting some here because my husband referred me. And I feel like one of my lashes was hanging. So yeah, I have to show you guys. I just got it done. So yeah, that's where I'm at with it. Okay, so I'm at the shop. I made it. I wanted to show you guys these lashes I got from a vendor. I'm gonna see how they do today on my client because I'm going to start selling lashes and just see how they, they turn out before I spend all my money on some lashes that's no good. So yeah, that's where I'm at with it. Oh boy, it's so hot. I don't know what's going on with this camera. I don't reset it, and yeah. So I made it. And as far as the final looks, I won't know until 14 days from now. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be doing that, but picking it up. But I won't know until 14 days from now how the Botox look, how it's gonna work. So yeah, I didn't do my forehead because, I mean, yeah, I don't know. I might do it next time, but I don't have them wrinkles like that where I'm talking and you can see them. It's just only when I screw my face up. But that's what I went and did today. So I am gonna try to find me something to nibble on and set up and get ready. And I'm gonna show you the lashes. And yeah, clap it. Be back, beautifuls. Okay. I am done. We got one more person in there. But yeah, I am done. I am gonna head home. Hold on, let me get my thing on. Head home and eat my Zaxbys. I'm gonna show y'all these new lemon pepper wings that Zaxbys came out with too. See how they taste. Hook up my music and get home, and I'm gonna show y'all this new Zaxby that my husband got us. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that. That's something new. I think it's a dry rub lemon pepper. Uh-oh. I don't need to get no copyright. Cause YouTube, baby, they been cracking down. They strict. I've been looking at myself lately to see. I don't see no difference. Yeah. But yeah. I know they say give it some time. Give it some time. And that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna put this music on, gonna hit the road and show y'all this food. Okay. So this is the Zaxbys. This is how they look. Can y'all see that?
Mommy, look.
Hold on, baby. That's the dry rub lemon pepper. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wings, a toast and fries. Look at Jai. She's in my shoes I had on today.
How do you even walk in these?
Practice, honey, practice. So yeah, let me set this up. Cause I need to show y'all this. Okay, we got ranch. Ain't nothing like that. Wingstop ranch. So let's see how it tastes. Yeah. Let's see how it tastes.
I'm the boss of this town.
Let me know if y'all like flats or drums. Let's see. Okay.
I forgot these wasn't in my release.
I'll give you a 6 out of 10. You actually taste the lemon. It's good. I don't know what this camera doing. I gotta fix it. I'm finna eat my dinner. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so my dash cam, it just came in for the Jeep. So yeah, we gonna hook this up and get a little recording while I'm driving in the Jeep. And I'm gonna share some of those recordings with you. But yeah, it's cute. It was inexpensive. So So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all my feedback on if you're looking for a dash cam. Cause the way these folks drive out here in Florida, you definitely need something. Okay? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this. Let me turn my camera around. Hold on. Why is she not moving? I'm trying to get it to move. Anyhow. This is how it looks. I think I gotta charge it. This is the one you don't have to do all that wiring up to the amp. You can just charge it in the cigarette lighter and stuff like that. So when my uncle do my light bar, I'm gonna see if he could set it up for me too. You know, so you don't really see the cords like that. But if I charge it, I don't think I need a cord. I think this is to keep it running. But yeah, that's how it comes. So I'm gonna see how I should set it up. Cause I don't like all them cords showing. I like my stuff to be like neat. Especially in my Jeep. So yeah, I'm gonna look over the instructions and just play with it. And then I'm gonna show you once we get it hooked up. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I got another delivery in. I got this. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna put this on my bicycle. This is an Action Pro to like the Osmo Pocket, but this is an Action Pro. I'm gonna put it to my bicycle and get some content. All right, it's your girl back outside. I am finna go to my appointment and get my lymphatic massage with my girl Yvette. I'm finna bring y'all along so you guys can see. I get that done once a month, and I am due, so that's where I'm headed at today. Thinking I'm driving my other car. So yeah, I'm in the Jeep, and yeah, come see what I'm about to do. Okay, so I made it. It's actually in the same place where Go Beyond Aesthetics is, where I came yesterday. And yeah. We'll go inside. Oh, let me lock my door. And get started. I'm right on time, right at 5:15. Howdy, howdy. How are you doing today? Good. Gonna lock the door. Thank you. Yes. Say hi to my subscribers on YouTube. Okay, guys, I made it to Eve's, and I'm gonna get comfortable. So yeah, can y'all see this dress? Oh my God, I got this from Rainbow, and it slides down. But yeah, I'm gonna get undressed so she can get started. I'll be back.